Good morning, and this is my Module 12 data protocol graphic. First thing that every meeting needs is the norms of the meeting. And so the four main focuses for norms for our data meetings are that we're going to value all voices and ideas that are said during the meeting. Positive collaboration is key. Respect each other and their ideas. And most importantly, we are going to focus on the students. So looking at the data protocol that I came up with, the first step is observation, where we are going to determine the data point that we're going to focus on for the meeting. We're going to look at that data, determine is the data adequate? Do we have enough data to make a decision on it? And are there any patterns inside of the data? Next is we're going to set up a plan. We set a goal based on the data that we're looking at. Based on that data information, we are going to create a plan for intervention to increase student growth. We're going to determine certain interventions that will be implemented, and we will set a time frame for the intervention and the goals. Next step is the do part. We are going to inform the staff of the plan of intervention. We will allow the time to go through the plan and run its course. We will do progress monitoring to check the data as we go through, and we will give staff updates about the data that we find during the progress monitoring. Next step is study. Once the time frame of the plan has come to an end, we will again meet as a data team. We'll compare the data from the original meeting to the current data, determine the effectiveness of that data based on comparison, and create a new plan moving forward for the continued improvement of students, and we will set a goal and a time frame. And then the act part again of it here is we inform the staff of the new plan, allow time for the plan to run its course, check for progress monitoring, and give updates as we go. This is a very secular plan to where we continue to look at data at different points throughout it. Plan, do, study, act is what we like to do with it, and make sure that we're following what the data tells us and making sure that we're making data-informed decisions throughout that time. Here are the references for the module. Thank you. I really did enjoy this class, and I can really see how it can help me now and in the future. Thank you.